Okay, hello everyone. This is Oyo. What is your name?
Uyo.
Oyo. Okay, si Oyo ay mag-recite ng 10 Commandments. Okay. Oyo. Okay, please recite the 10 Commandments.
This is the 10 Commandments. Number 1, you shall have no other gods before me. Number 2, you shall not make idols. Number 3, you shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain. Number 4, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Number 5, honor your father and your mother. Number 6, you shall not murder. Number 7, you shall not commit adultery. Number 8, you shall not steal. Number 9, you shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Number 10, you shall not covet.
Wow! Grabe! Galing-galing naman ni Dudong ba?